Okay guys, here we have the RAS receiver and remote control. This receiver is actually a really nice receiver. It does a lot of different things. One of them that we'll cover is obviously the distance between receiver and remote. It's about close to 1,500 feet from remote to receiver. That's all, of course, in open space. You do it in places like in the city, or between trees and buildings, and you take away on the distance a little bit or a lot depending, but it's really good as far as the distance goes, considering most receivers only do anywhere from 100 to maybe 300-400 feet of distance. All right, power source, it does anywhere from 12 to 24 volts. Also, it does AC or DC, so you can plug it into a transformer that's AC, like this one, or a plug-in transformer that does DC. As long as it's between 12 and 24, that will work for that receiver as far as the power source is concerned. For programming, it's really simple. It's got two what we call programming buttons. You got P1 and P2. P1 does your programming for each remote control. P2 does your deleting for each remote control. So if you want to delete one remote control, you do it there. If you want to delete all the remote controls, you would do it there. So let's start. Programming one button, P1. How you would do it is you hit the button. LED turns on inside the receiver there. You will hit the button on the remote control you want to program one time, and by the second time you hear the clicking noise. That means it registered the remote on the receiver, as you can hear there. And that's pretty easy and fast. The other thing we'll talk about is the deleting. So if you have 1 out of 10 remotes, using that as an example, and you want to delete this remote out of 10 remotes that are programmed inside this receiver, what you would do is you will hold down P2 for about 3 seconds. The LED light inside there will also light up. Once you hit the button on that remote control that you want to delete, that will delete this remote control. So like right now, it's actually been deleted. And then of course, like I said, that's only if you want to delete one remote control out of 10 that you already programmed to the receiver. So actually, it's a really nice feature, because you don't have to go ahead and try to figure out, all the remote controls, or deleting all the remote controls at the same time, and then coming back and programming as well. So you can actually delete just 1 out of 10, or 1 out of 100, or 1 out of 150, however you like. If you want to delete all of them, you will hold down the P2 push button there. Hold it down for about 8 seconds. That will delete all remote controls from the receiver. So this pretty much covers the programming of the RAS remote, the RAS receiver. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like us to make other videos of other different products we have, please comment at the bottom and let us know. Thank you.